Okay, so to move up and down for the bookmarks, and then alphabetically, you just drag it up and down. So, we're going to close it out. We don't need our catalog, and we will go back to full extent view, and we're going to search for a feature. So we will use ArcGIS Pro Query Builder for structured query language queries. The SQL is the standard language for querying tabular data. So, and to do that, there are some good tools for Microsoft SQL that a lot of things we can practice later. Anyway, those are my server. Maybe we will put out one time how to link the ArcGIS Pro to SQL Server. And then next is we're going to search for the location on the basis of the attribute data values. And in the contents pane, we're going to clear the population density by checking this box, population density, it's right, this one. Okay, and select the municipality checkbox. Municipality checkbox is this one, all right? And I don't think I need poverty for now. Okay. Municipality, okay, municipality is this one. And right click on this, open the menu, and we're gonna go to attribute table. I don't like the dock window, and I like the floating one. So, perfect. All right. Okay. Now right click this, we got the attribute table. Every factor feature class has an attribute table, and each feature, point, line, or polygon of a feature class has a record or row of data. And on the map tab in the selection group, so map tab and map tab selection group, we're going to selection right here. We're going to select by attribute. Select by attribute is right here. And Geo Processing pane opens. And municipalities is already selected in the input feature class. And we're going to add across button, and add across is right here. That we make sure the selection is seen in the following graphic. There is no need to remember or type anything. So we just do the drop down menu. We will say name. Where did name go? Do we have a name? Oh, this is street. All right. Municipalities. Okay, now add a clause. Now we have a name. Name equals to Mikey Rocks. Where is ABCD? Mikey Rocks. Okay. And then we're going to say add. Click add, then we add the run button. We close the Geo Processing pane. Okay. Then the result is add the Mikey Roads records and features are selected. Okay, then we will, okay, municipalities and open attribute table. And I really hate this one. I like it float. All right. Okay. So now we're going to see, this one is highlighted, that in the contents. So let's see, it's right here. We're gonna zoom in and look closely. Okay, this road is highlighted, and I'm going to not label it. Oh, that's fine. Oh no, I don't want it labeled. So now we can see this hospital. At the top of the table, we're going to clear selection. And clear the municipality checkbox and select the population density. Okay. But okay. Now, we're going to search for some center and zoom to them, and well, that's fine. Okay. Clear selection and some centers here, and if I want to find the other center, it's the same procedure. Okay, now we're going to go over to work with attribute data. So attributes play a major role in GIS, and we're going to do is that besides providing data needed to solve a problem or investigate spatial patterns, attributes allow you to search for useful information and map features, as seen in the previous tutorial that we did. And we're going to do do you proceed this if you save this project? Okay, that's fine. Okay, then I will just save it, and I'm gonna go to update my okay, download now, and then there was a new version. Okay, we're going to continue with working with attribute data. So attribute also enables sophisticated symbolization and labeling. So we're going to learn right now. And then when we are done updating, I'm going to start, not here, I think I closed it. Okay, book data, we will go to chapter 1 and tutorial. We will start with tutorial 1.3. So now, we're going to do is open and sort attribute tables. We're going to start with this document. Before we get started, we have to see what procedure here. It's gonna be a while, so we will continue soon. Oh, okay. So I thought I was recorded, but anyway, we start with 1.3, and then we did was okay. I'm gonna save it first. All right, here. Okay, save. All right. And then we're gonna back up. So I updated, and we're going back to the MedExpress clinics and go to open attribute data, and I'm going to check it out. And then I want remember what we did was when we want to adjust the columns. So when we see the cursor, when you move between the columns on the top row with column names until the cursor becomes two-headed arrow, and then you can just move to the left or to the right. And then you can double click when you see two-headed arrow to automatically resize the column width. And in the table, we're going to drag the column zip code. So after the city, so you can drag it back, and you can drag it here, there. So, and we're going to right click on the city again, and we're going to go ascending, and we can right click on it and go to custom sort. And the first one I want city, the second one I want address, and I also want ascending. Click OK. And then it was sorted for us. And we're going to scroll down and see the Pittsburgh records, and we have 8 here. There are here, and so if we notice that we could now easily find a Pittsburgh MedExpress by address because street numbers are in order, sorted as text. You know that numbers stored and sorted as text are ordered by individual digits instead of numeric value. So for example, like we have 11 or 10 pairs before 2, because the first one is 11 is smaller than the 2. So alright, then now we're going to do is for the population density, and GeoID is a geocode unique identifier or primary key. So let me open it up right here, and I'm gonna go to attribute table, and I don't want it this way. Yep, I want it flow, and I will resize the window. So in the assignment that we have to do is assign a census tract by the U.S. Census Bureau, and attributes of interest are population, 2010, area, square miles, and population density, which is population that is divided by per person square mile that you divided by the area. Using sorting, we're going to find the tract with the highest population density. So density, and which is no, population descending. Oh, not population, it's population density. Population density descending, that's the highest, and I highlighted, and I'm going to show you. It's right here. So select the record, click the gray square on its left, which is right here, and find it on a map, cyan area in the middle of the map. To get a better look, the selected census zoom part way so that polygon, set polygon to the extent that population density display stays on, and click the clear selection button at the top middle of the table. Close the table when finished and zoom to full extent. And now we're going to work on so close it out. I'm going to back here. So in the contents panel that we did for the tracks view, right click on it, and then we did was here, and click this and fields view, and that bring us to this one, and we type in each field, female poverty population, and this is female headed households, and then employed population, and we have high school non-graduates. And then we drag the population under geo ID, and now we had everything here on the fields tab in the changes group. We click back in here, whoopsies, and this field, and we click save right here. That the tracked centroid table reflects the changes we just made. So now we're going to turn off this, and we will do is in the municipality table, turn off visibility for all attributes except for name. Municipalities, open attribute table, and then drag it out. It doesn't want other fields, so what I'm gonna do, okay, option, so fields view, and I don't want them to see other things, so that's how you do. And know that to publish this map, we must select visibility checkbox for shape. So we do need the shape, so that's how you do it anyway. So when you are done, which I am done, municipality, back in here, and it didn't ask us to save it. That's weird. Okay, now it asks us to save it. That's weird. It shouldn't happen like this. Okay, it is municipality, and it doesn't want us to save it. Okay, changes, it doesn't like it right now. Are you sure you want to close it? All unsaved edits will be lost. No, because I don't think we change anything. Let's just type something, because we just turn on and off. Okay, there. I think something wrong here. Let's see, what was the issue? New field, I don't want a new field, and then I just delete it. Let me open this again, open attribute table, and then clear selection, okay, open attribute table,